Welcome to the Donald POV. I'm Donald Fitzgill Jr., bringing you my point of view on everything I want to talk about, literally everything, and trust me, I've got a lot to say. So without further ado, let's go! Question. Do you remember the name of the song that came out in 1990 that told you to never trust a big butt and a smile? I do. In 1990, Bell Biv DeVoe came out with a song called Poison, and I remember singing the song in the hallways at school, specifically singing the part, "Never trust a big butt and a smile." Though I didn't understand it, I thought it was interesting that Bell Biv DeVoe really wanted to convey that there was something untrustworthy about a big butt and a smile. Together, in conjunction, if you will. So much so, they would sing it fast and energetic, and then they would sing it slow and soulful, just really trying to get their point across, I guess. And then they told you, that girl is poison. By definition, poison is a substance that causes injury, illness, or death. There's Bell Biv DeVoe's song, there's an 80s rock band, poison ivy, cyanide, hydrofluoric acid, mustard gas, and pest control to name a few, but there's also another poison, and this poison is a predator. You tend to find this poison in middle and low-income neighborhoods. In fact, you see it everywhere in low-income neighborhoods, usually lit up with colorful signs. This poison is payday loans. Never trust a loan shark in a smile. Let's go! Payday loans grant people, such as yourself, money ranging from a few hundred to a few $1,000s at a time. The borrower then has to repay the loan with interest and fees, usually a couple of weeks after origination. As collateral, payday lenders hold personal checks or bank account ACH information for repayment. It doesn't take much to qualify for a payday loan. You need to at least be 18, be a U.S. citizen, have a bank account, and be gainfully employed. Most payday lenders charge you a specific dollar amount per every $100 borrowed. Payday lenders are also notorious for adding on additional fees for transaction costs. Let's assume you take out a $500 loan. This loan will generally be charged about $20 per $100, which means in 2 weeks, you now need $600 to close out your $500 loan. If the loan is extended past the 2-week period, you owe another $100, bringing your total payback amount to $700. As you can probably tell, this can get out of control very quickly. What tends to happen to a lot of people is that if circumstances don't change, you end up having to take out another payday loan to resolve your current payday loan. This is a vicious cycle that is very difficult to escape from. This is great for the payday loan company, but horrible for the borrower. So much so that some states in America don't even permit the practice of providing payday loans because they view it as predatory lending. In addition to being extremely costly, obtaining payday loans also damages your credit score. So what can you do if you have an immediate need and no money? You can speak with your existing creditors. Look, companies, when presented with the option of being paid late or not being paid at all, will typically choose being paid late. Especially if you can agree to come to some consistent payment schedule, even if it's small. It is worth your time to reach out and at least ask for leniency. There are also charitable credit counseling agencies that can help you with your finances, and in a lot of cases, may even contact your creditors on your behalf to help with your situation. You can also reach out to your employer to see if they have an advance pay system in place, or you can see if your employer will allow you to sell your outstanding vacation time. Again, it doesn't hurt anything to ask, except maybe your pride. And while I don't recommend borrowing money to pay creditors, if possible, a short-term loan from your bank or low-interest credit cards would be better options than using a payday loan as well. Once the immediate need is gone, you should definitely focus on strategies that would help prevent this situation from happening again. Things like creating a sustainable budget, an emergency fund, taking a part-time job, or even selling possessions that you don't need. In short, if you're thinking about using a payday loan, think again. You can't afford it. And remember, never trust a loan shark in a smile. That shark is poison. Well, folks, thanks for tuning in. If you like what you heard, please tell a friend and feel free to connect with me online at thedonaldpov.com and Twitter at thedonaldpov. Also, for the business owners out there, feel free to check out our voicemail services page because we can help you sound really, really good. Like, really good. Till next time, I'm Donald Fitzgill Jr., and this is the Donald POV. Brought to you by the Speakeasy Sound Company. I'll holla.